feels really weird to be back because it feels like home. So my name is Camille Cheng. I'm a Hong Kong Olympic swimmer. I went to the 2016 Rio Olympic Games. I graduated from ISB in 2011, but I was here from 4th grade to 12th grade. After ISB, I went to University of California, Berkeley, and so that's really kind of where I took swimming to the next level, and that's really kind of where I took my Olympic dream that I kind of had when I was a young girl and really made it a reality. So I was approached by a couple of the current ISB swimmers, I think right after the Olympics, asking me to come back to ISB. Part of, coming back and part of what I hope to offer is for them to know that you can take the sport further, whatever it is. And, I took it to a really high level and high intensity going to Division I school, but there are plenty other options and paths that you can go. I'm glad to hear that swimming is still like a big sport here at ISB.